Let us study Science 2, Chapter 2, Life Processes in Living Things, Part 1. What is meant by life processes? Life processes means the functions which are taking place in our body. For example, excretion, digestion, respiration, circulation, etc. These are the various functions taking place inside our body. Now, if we are considering excretion, for occurring excretion, there is a system of organs in our body. So that system is known as excretory system. In excretory system, number of organs are taking part. Now we are studying about other system, that is digestive system. All digestive organs are coming in the digestive system. Next one, respiratory system. In respiratory system, there are a number of organs. Similarly, circulatory system. So all these systems containing different organs. Now, for occurring all these functions, there is a necessity of energy. Now, for occurring all these systems, from where do we get energy? So, for the functions or for the life processes which are taking place in our body, there is a necessity of energy. That energy is obtaining from the food what we eat. For example, we can say carbohydrates, then we can say lipids, then fats. So here now we are getting energy from these food items, carbohydrate food items, lipid food items, as well as fats. Now, carbohydrate means what? Carbohydrate from where we get? Carbohydrate getting from the rice, wheat, then jaggery, sugar, then fruits, vegetables, milk. These are things if we consume, we will get carbohydrate food items. Then lipid means all types of fats. Together we can say lipids. For example, lipid means triglycerides we can say. Then cholesterol, then steroids, etc. All together we can say. These all things together we can say lipids. It is a macromolecule, it is a biomolecule. All such things, triglycerides, then cholesterol, steroids, etc. Everything together we say lipids. Fats will be there, out of them any one. Now suppose fats, for that one example I am writing. Cholesterol is an example of fats. Any one. There are number of examples are there, out of them any one will be there, that is known as a fat. Now, these all things, that means these carbohydrate, lipids, fats, they give us energy. Now, how do they give us energy? For that, a special process is required. That process is known as respiration. Now we will study in detail about respiration. Here we are going to study in detail about respiration. There are two levels of respiration. First level is known as body level respiration. Second one is known as cellular level respiration. So, respiration itself consists of two levels. First level is known as body level. Second level is known as cellular level. Now, what is body level respiration? Body level respiration means just an exchange of two types of gases, that is carbon dioxide gas as well as oxygen gas, between the body as well as surrounding. So here what is there? Body level respiration means what? It is the exchanging of carbon dioxide as well as oxygen between body and surrounding. In a simple way, if we explain about body level respiration, that is taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Now we are coming to cellular level respiration. Cellular level respiration is of two types. They are aerobic respiration as well as anaerobic respiration. Cellular respiration, cellular level respiration is of two types. One is aerobic respiration, other one is known as anaerobic respiration. Now we are going to study in detail about aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration consists of three levels. First level is known as glycolysis. Second level is known as carboxylic acid cycle. Third one is known as electron transfer chain reaction. So aerobic respiration consists of three levels. One is known as glycolysis. Second level is known as tricarboxylic acid cycle. The third level is known as electron transfer chain reaction. Now we will study in detail about glycolysis. Now during glycolysis, splitting of glucose is taking place. Glucose converts or glucose splits into three things. They are known as two molecules of pyruvic acid, two molecules of NADH2 and two molecules of water. H2O means water. So here during glycolysis, splitting of glucose into three substances, that is two molecules of pyruvic acid, two molecules of NADH2 2 molecules of water. Now, this NADH2 means what? NADH2 means nicotinamide. Nicotinamide. Adenine. Dinucleotide. Nicotinamide. Adenine. Dinucleotide. Now, after that what is there? Again, this pyruvic acid again split up. Again, other molecules will form. But here, this glycolysis process is taking place inside the cytoplasm. So here, glycolysis is taking place inside the cytoplasm. It itself has 2 steps, we can say. First step, glucose divides into 3 molecules. 2 molecules of pyruvic acid, 2 molecules of NADH2, 2 molecules of water. Now, this pyruvic acid again split up inside the cytoplasm into again 3 things. Pyruvic acid is split up into acetyl, 2 molecules of acetyl coenzyme, acetyl, 2 molecules of acetyl coenzyme, 2 molecules of NADH2 and 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. This process also taking place inside the cytoplasm. Now, next step, that is tricarboxylic acid cycle. Now, this tricarboxylic acid cycle is taking place inside the mitochondria. Now, this step I am showing you. Tricarboxylic acid cycle is taking place inside the mitochondria. There, the formed, that means as a result of splitting of pyruvic acid into 2 molecules of acetyl coenzyme, these molecules will enter into the mitochondria. Now, during tricarboxylic acid cycle, it has one more name, that is Krebs cycle. So there, these molecules of, that is acetyl coenzyme will enter. Here means different molecules are forming. Out of them, this acetyl coenzyme molecule will enter into the mitochondria. After that, from this enzyme, this acetyl molecule will break into NADH2 molecules, then FAD, H2 molecules, after that carbon dioxide molecules, even water molecules. Now, as a result of breaking of pyruvic acid, acetyl coenzyme, then NADH2 carbon dioxide, like that molecules are forming. The formed acetyl coenzyme molecule will enter into the mitochondria. After that, this acetyl part will divide into NADH2, FADH2, CO2 as well as H2 molecules will become. Now here this NADH2, its full name already we had studied here, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Now this nicotinamide, that place we can change there, other word will come, that is flavin. Flavin, its full name is flavin adenine dinucleotide. Flavin adenine dinucleotide. This is already you people studied. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Then along with that carbon dioxide as well as water molecule will form. Afterwards we are going to study about electron transfer. Electron transfer chain reaction we are going to study. Now we are going to study in detail about the electron transfer chain reaction. Now during electron transfer chain reaction, the processes, which all processes are taking place during electron transfer chain reaction, that also taking place inside the mitochondria. During this process, inside the mitochondria, this NADH2 as well as FADH2, these two molecules, NADH2 molecules as well as FADH2 molecules, they convert into energy molecules. One NADH2 molecule transfer to 3 ATP molecules, and one FADH2 molecule converts to 2 ATP molecules. Along with that, there will be the formation of water molecules. So, in electron transfer chain reaction inside the mitochondria, conversion of one NADH2 molecule to 3 ATP molecules, then one FADH2 molecule to 2 ATP molecules. Now ATP molecule, its full name adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate, that is the full form of ATP molecules. So as a result of respiration, that is also aerobic respiration, there will be the formation of energy molecules, water molecules as well as carbon dioxide molecules. Now suppose if there is no sufficient carbohydrate in our body, that particular time energy taking from proteins as well as lipids for occurring various processes in our body. Suppose when we will have insufficient quantities of carbohydrate, sometimes we may hunger or sometimes we may be taking fasting. That particular time there may be insufficient quantity of carbohydrate in our body. That particular time in our body such processes, that means various processes will take place. For occurring various processes, energy is taking place from proteins as well as lipids. Now, how from the proteins energy is taking place as well as how from lipids energy is taking place, I'll explain. Now, this protein converts to amino acid. This lipid converts to fatty acid. So, this carbohydrate, proteins as well as lipids are complex molecules. First they have to change into simple molecules. Carbohydrate transforms to glucose, proteins transforms to amino acid, lipids transforms to fatty acid. After that, this amino acid converts to acetyl coenzyme. Similarly, fatty acid changes to acetyl coenzyme. Once acetyl coenzyme will form, they enter into the, both of them will enter into mitochondria. After that, there will occur tricarboxylic acid cycle. That, as we had studied, same process will occur. Then inside the mitochondria there will be which process? Tricarboxylic acid cycle. After that, we had already studied about that. There will be the formation of NADH2, FADH2, CO2, then H2O. After that, again there will be other process. That process is known as electron transfer chain reaction. There, conversion of NADH2 to ATP molecules, then FADH2 to energy molecules. Along with that, water will be there. Even in the process, the production of carbon dioxide also will be there. So, same process again and again occur. This way, in this way, cellular respiration is taking place inside the body, as well as energy getting for various functions which need to take place in our body. Thank you.